My name is Adrian Ricardo Guzmán Gallardo. I live in a common Lord Mary's. I am from Isnos Huila. I am 24 years old. I am a farmer. I am studying Bachelor on Mathematics at Open and Distant National University. I live in Isnos in Mondellan. Believe in my free time I enjoy playing soccer and listening to music. Once in a while I go for a walk with my girlfriend. I live in Isnos and I am going to talk about the most interesting things we can do in this wonderful land. Isnos is the Panela, capital of the department of Huila. But also there are some beautiful tourist sites such as arqueológico, Par Alto de los Ídolos, Mayur Aventura Central, Salto de Bordones, Guerefol, Salto del Morteño, Guerefol and more. In Isnos de Typical, foods are tamal, guinea pig, chicken stew, and many others. On the other hand, we have a fantasy carnival. On Juris is Blanco y Negros carnival. Also, there is another important celebration, the festival of the peasant in Ence, where many people gather to choose their paradas, such as panel coffee, corn, blackberry, bizcochos, or achira, and more usually there are competitions to win prizes. In Isnos, there are prizes where you can do canopy. There is street swings. There is a glass bridge to see Salto del Morteño waterfall. Enjoy slichan. Also, you can do skydiving. Beside that, there are many cliffs where you can see all Mandanena River.